How to recover disabled Instagram account. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to search for igrecovertool.com. It's a website where you can recover your disabled account. So after opening, you have to simply put your disabled account name. You can do it on mobile or PC. So after that, you have to simply click on this continue button, and we don't know the reason because it banned suddenly, so I don't know what's the reason for the ban. So as you can see, it is detecting what's the matter. So it is sending unban request. So now as you can see, there is a task where you have to download two apps to prove that you are a human. Simply you have to just download two apps and run for about 30 seconds each, and you are good to go. So I hope this video will help you out. So this is how you can recover your disabled Instagram account.